Okay, I want to talk about a plant that explains why plants were designed and not that they didn't evolve. This plant, it's called the little orange. It grows in the Andes here. And this thing is armored to the nines. It is like brutal. So if you cut off a fruit, there are spines everywhere on this thing. You can't even cut the stems. This thing, like it goes into your hands. That's how bad it is. Like, I got tough hands because I work them all the time, but this, it's nasty stuff and it goes into your skin. And it feels like something's bothering you. It's like insulation. I'm gonna cut this guy in half. I don't think it's 100% ripe, but I want to show you. So that's why it's called the little orange. And these seeds are incredibly prolific. They have no problem germinating. So let me get back to this scenario. So on the front of the leaf, the top of the leaf, it has all these spines and they're nasty. On the bottom, it has all these spines. The fruit has spines that are like really sticking out. So this little orange, or naranjilla, has a defense mechanism that is built through and through. If you see here, the stem has the exact same spines sticking out. Even the bottom part of the roots, they have spines as well. It has so much protection. And it's funny, the fruit, like I still have the little spines in my hand. It's annoying. It's like, even tonight I'll have this. It just doesn't go away. So if I were an animal trying to eat this plant, I'd think twice about it to get in here and eat one of these fruits. Because you would, if you used your mouth to bite into this, it would be so painful. So this little guy, the little orange, is very interesting because it shows botanists or anyone who's trying to believe in this idea of plants evolving. This plant is a fortress from day one. It basically has every single part of this except for the flower. The flower is very delicate. The bees are not going to be poked with these. And so this fruit is so protected that no animal would eat this, in their right mind. So this through and through mechanism of these plants being this powerfully protected through their genetic makeup is an indication that this plant didn't evolve. It was made from day one to be this aggressive towards anyone that would attack it. It is that strong. And even the roots, at the very base of the roots, as I said before, there's spines everywhere. So this thing has been made in such a way from day one that it would attack, it would not allow any insects or anything to attack the fruit and the flowers. And so it's very well protected in its own right.